is Chris Hall. I'm the Director of Sports Medicine here at Texas Christian University in Fort Worth, Texas.
Chris, got a couple questions to ask you. The first question would be, how important is it to you to have a proper sanitizer or disinfectant?
Well, there's no question with what we do here at the university, handling the student-athlete population that we have 4 facilities that handle approximately 450 student-athletes. Sterilization techniques, making sure that we keep things clean and in order, are extremely important. We have a lot of different types of machines, modalities, treatment tables, surface areas, that sort of thing that are used constantly throughout the course of our day. Once the academic school year starts up, virtually these facilities are used 7 days a week and will go throughout the entire course of the academic year. So having a good sanitary environment is extremely important so we can control any bacteria. Certainly MRSA is an issue because of the fact that there's so many environmental things that can come into the facility from outside, whether it be from our artificial surfaces that we utilize or even our natural playing surfaces as well too. So again, from a facility standpoint, it's extremely important for us to be consistent with that.
How can technology play a role in the sports health facility?
Well, I think the technology has gotten a lot better. There's no question. New things come across and we see year in and year out. And that technology is going to help us to try to stay ahead of the curve in terms of being able to treat our student athletes, especially when we have injuries and illnesses that come across. So I think the technology needs to stay up with the fact that we're getting to a point where our kids go virtually year-round. Our facilities are going to be required to be available to them year-round. And even with some of the modalities and some of the equipment that we use, take a lot of use and a lot of abuse. So for us to be able to stay consistent and keeping those operating the way they need to be and getting the most out of them, it's extremely important.
In particular, how do you think this Genion product can make this a healthier, more sanitized place?
Well, again, with the new technologies, I think it's finding that we can do things that are more economically feasible for the university to be able to afford to do. The application process is pretty simple and allows us to be able to, again, apply to virtually every single surface that we use and subsequently get the results that we need to make sure that things stay clean and that we don't have to worry about having the higher risk of having any sort of disease that might be spread as a result of the patient population that comes in and uses it every single day.
Thank you, Chris.
Thank you.